Hello everybody. So today I'm gonna show you the solution for how to recover the Gmail ID when your device is lost. So that means let me just try to log in. So let me log in, right? Let me just use this code. Then let's do this. I think that is wrong. Okay, what's happening there? Okay, now it's taking. Now I'm in login phase. So I don't know the password. Suppose your mobile is lost and your password has been changed, right? You don't have your number, you don't have anything, right? So what to do now, right? So if I try with my password, right? So so let me remember my recent password. So my I have typed the recent password and let me do just enter. So you have a wrong password. Try to reset your password. So if I do the forgot password and it shows me this enter the last password you remember with this account. So basically what it's trying to do is to uh, asks us the last password. So let me just do that, right? Okay, I don't remember the password. So what I can do is use my previous password, right? And let's do next. Now what it does is Google could not sign in you, so it will shows you this type of an error, right? Google could not sign in. So so how can we get this over with? So in this stage, right, your Gmail is active, it's not banned or something, it's you don't have to recover it. So basically what you need to do is to go again, and let me just type that, and let's do next. So now go to forgot password. So here it's basically asking what are the password. So suppose you keep on changing your password, right? So what is your first password that you used with this Gmail account? So if I just do that, right? So here you need a password that is being used with this Gmail ID, not the recent one, right? So you have to use your first password. So then let's do next. So let's wait for a few seconds. Now you can recover your password. That's how you uh, get the recover. So after 120 hours, you can get the uh, recover mail. So thank you guys. I just want to make that clear, right?